welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and safe. It's been a long time I did not create and upload any blog regarding the Germany visa process, but today I'm here. I'm back with another blog for you that's about how you can apply for the application of European Blue Card visa. Before I start my blog, I would like to give a quick introduction of myself, especially to those who are new on my channel. So my name is Vishali. I work and live in Germany. I came to Germany in 2021, and before that I was working in Thailand, and before that I was working in India. So I am an Indian. But when I got this job, I was working in Thailand, so I did my all visa process over there only. But it does not matter from which country you are applying for the visa. The process is almost same. There could be like few of the documents that could vary from country to country. But in my today blog, I would take India as a reference because I'm an Indian. So I will tell you all the document based on the India country. Like if you are applying from the India country, then what documents that you need to prepare. Before we talk about the documents, let me tell you two most important things. The one is the requirements. So if you're going to apply for the European Blue Card visa, you need to check first the requirements if you are eligible or not. I have created a very long blog for this, and you can find a link in the description box, or you can check the playlist of the Germany informative blogs. So but just roughly I will tell you what could be the annual gross salary for each field if you are applying for the blue card visa. Here I have listed everything. And the second is the ZAP certificate. If your degree is not equivalent in ANABIN, then how you can apply for the ZAP certificate. So ZAP certificate is very important document for applying the European Blue Card visa that you need to prepare, I would say 3 months before. So if you crack the interview, you got the offer letter, the first thing to do to check your degree if it is recognized or not. If it is not, then next day, next hour, just send all your documents for the ZAP certificate to the Germany. And for this as well, I have created 2 blogs and I seen very good response. The link you can find in the description box. Just go through this, watch it and note down all the points and do it accordingly. So yes, these are the 2 important things. Now let's talk about the documents one by one. So when you will be preparing your documents, make sure to get the 2 Xerox copy of each and every document. The first document is your valid passport. You just need to get a Xerox of first and the last page where your data is available. And if your passport is very old, then make sure it should be issued within the last 10 years and it should be valid for the another year with at least 2 blank pages. And the second is the visa application online, that you need to fill it online, and the link is you can find in the description box. You just have to fill all your personal details, whatever they are. It's very easy to fill it. And if you need a blog on this, how to fill that application form, do comment. I will create another blog for you. And yes, it just fill it for the blue card that come under the German national visa. And another one is annexure. So this is like a few of the personal details that you have to fill over there. And then is the declaration that comes under the section 54 in conjunction with the section 53. What this is about. So like if they have any queries and they want to contact you by email, are you okay with that? So that's this document is about the legal representative. Another one is like photos, which is very important. So just get 2 or 3 photographs of yours and that should match with these exact dimensions. They are very specific about the photograph, and there are other requirements as well. I will add a link in the description box. Just go through all these requirements and make sure to get a perfect photo for your visa appointment. And then is CV you can build from the Europass. I have created a blog for this, how you can create a perfect Europass CV. That's very important. Just attach this CV as well. And the another one is your qualification documents. So if you have done your degree, 10th standard, 12th standard, just prepare all the Xerox copy for all these documents as well. And also the ZAP certificate if your degree is not equivalent. If your degree is equivalent, it is showing equivalent in ANABIN, just take the Xerox from the website. But here I would like to say, if your degree is recognized, just call the embassy and ask them, hey, my degree is recognized, do you still need a ZAP certificate? Why I'm saying this? Because it varies from country to country. In India, on the website it's mentioned that you just take a screenshot or you just take the print of the web page. But when I was in Thailand and I called, and they were like, we need a ZAP certificate. Even my degree was equivalent, my university was recognized over there, but still they wanted the ZAP certificate, so I had to do that process. So it varies from country to country, so make sure to call them and confirm everything before. And then next is the work experience certificate. So if you have any experience, because for me, like, it was like 5 years of experience, so I have a multiple documents. So if you have that, then just get a Xerox copy of that as well. Another one is, most importantly, employment contract. So when you get your offer letter, that is your employment contract, and that should be signed by them as well and by you as well, and they need a hard original copy of that. And another one is the health insurance, which is very important. Here I would like to explain a case. When I was in Thailand, they did not ask me for the health insurance when I was applying for the application initially, but when my visa got approved, then they asked me for the health insurance and for the flights tickets. But in India, I've seen on the website they are asking it initially, like when you are going for the appointment. So make sure to prepare your health insurance, and I'm adding a link again in the description box where you can find that which are the eligible companies from where you can get the health insurance, and you have to get it until the date of joining, because after that in Germany you will get the public one from your company side only. So that's all. These are the documents that you need to prepare for the visa appointments. It's very simple. Only the challenging part is that certificate if your degree is not equivalent, because it takes like a lot of time. Max is 3 months, but I think that's not a problem. So yes, now we can talk about the appointment. You can just check on the website and book your appointment as soon as possible, once you are ready with all these documents, especially the ZAP certificate. So you will not get appointment easily, like within the coming days or within a month. Like it could be possible, like if you have a luck, but keep on checking every day and book it once you find the vacant slot. Otherwise you can find after a month, but it depends on when is your joining date as well. So you can request them, you can call them if you find a slot, something like that. And about the fees, the visa application fees is 75 euro, and if I count in INR, it would around 6500 something. I don't know exact what's the conversion rate right now, but it is something around this. What's the processing time? The processing time is maximum 3 months. So within the 3 months or about 3 months, you should get your visa. I got in 14 to 15 days. I got it very quickly. The reason was I had a ZAP certificate. When you have a certificate, then it takes less time for them to verify. That's what they have explained me. And yes, when you get your visa, you have to show your flight tickets, and sometimes they will ask you for the accommodation. For me, they did not ask me. They just asked me for the travel insurance, and they just asked me for the flight details. And yeah, when you show them, they will give you a visa, and then you can just pack your bags and then ready to fly. So good luck to all of you who really want to come to Germany, who really got a job and they are in this process. Hope this blog will be helpful for you. And if you have any questions, just do comment in the comment box, or just follow me on the World of Vishali on Instagram. Do message over there. I always try to respond to you guys as soon as possible, but because I was traveling a lot last year and this year, I did not have a chance to reply as soon as possible. But from now I will do that. And thank you so much for all your love, for all your support. I just want to share my whole experience and the knowledge with you that can be helpful. Yeah, that's it. And then looking forward to another blog someday, maybe a next week. And until then, bye bye, take care, and have a good day. Bye bye.